Hey, what I'm getting ready to show you is likely to work on your ADT or your Brinks system, but if you have an alarm.com system, I'm going to show you how you can play your video from your cameras on your security panel. Now look, this is not a feature that all security companies turn on for you. We make it a default if you have security cameras through us, but it's pretty easy to do. Actually, let me show you this because this is important, and this is what separates truly a security system from something that's just a noisemaker. Because the truth of the matter is, and if you don't know our company, we are the only security company in the U.S. that tells you the truth. Basically, at 2 o'clock in the morning, the police are not going to get there fast enough. When you wake up at 2 o'clock in the morning, your alarm system's going off. You have a very short time to get your faculties together, to get your plan together, to know how to mitigate the threat that just walked inside your house. And so most people will take their security panel. This is our security panel here, and they will, they will put it on the wall as they walk inside their house, and then they kind of forget about how useful the panel itself is. Truth of the matter is, 2 o'clock in the morning, somebody breaks in your house. You want to be able to have a visual. You want to know how many people it was. You want to have something like this beside your bed, not just your phone, because your phone may be charging. If you're like us, we don't like to leave our phones beside our bed. It kind of gets in the way of going to bed. But here's the cool thing about the panel, right? So it is a totally battery operated panel, or it can be. Power goes out, this thing's going to run for 36 hours. Now it'll have a default to shut off once the power's off, but this thing still, you're looking at cameras on the outside of our gun shop, or a camera that I have pulled up. You can associate every camera in your home or every camera in your business with your security panel. If you put it beside your bed, if you put it on the wall, you can too, but it's useless there. This has a nightstand, you can sit it beside your bed. I'm going to readjust the camera for a second. I'm going to show you from the screen that you're looking at how to associate the cameras in your home with your security panel that should be on your nightstand beside your bed. So ready? Log into your alarm.com account and follow me. Alright, if you're on your PC, you should have gone to alarm.com and you should see a screen that looks, and you have to have video, right? I don't know. I know it's what we do standard. Alarm.com and Brinks may look a little bit different because the truth of the matter is they're using alarm.com, but you don't know it. In fact, if you're using ADT or Brinks, you're paying about 3 times what you would pay if you were getting a system from a company like us. However, with us, you also get firearms at wholesale cost. But let me show you how to do this very quickly. So you're logged in your home page. This is your home page here. Boom. All right. When you come to the home page, you're going to click on video. And this will bring up your different video cameras that you have at your home or your business. Then you want to hover over a camera, the camera that you want to associate with your security panel that's beside your bed. You're going to click on settings. Now, I have already associated all of my cameras with, we have a video spot monitor, we have multiple tablets or multiple screens, but for simplicity's sake, you are going to come here to video and to settings, and you're going to come right down here where it says stream video to security panel. You're going to click on that. And you'll see all of your cameras that you have here. All of these cameras need to be checked, and then you hit save, and that will associate your cameras with the tablet beside your bed, or with a secondary panel if you have a secondary panel as well. So hopefully that's a quick tutorial for you. You can go to securityallstar.com. We do have packages there. You can go into the little search menu. You can type custom into the search menu. You can custom build your own system. We offer this as a default option to our customers. We don't charge extras for it. If you have video from us, you can automatically do this. ADT and Brinks sometimes charge you extra. I mean, they're outrageously priced. You buy it from us, you own it. Hopefully this helps though, and it is an awesome feature. Look, you have to have a plan at 2 o'clock in the morning. Do not depend on the police to show up in time. A lot of these companies will tell you they're going to come there in 3 or 4 minutes. So police are going to be there. Well, they're going to call the police in under a minute, but it's going to be your job to deal with that threat inside your home, and it happens fast. Happens really fast, folks. Be safe, and do me a favor, would you? Please like and subscribe.